Okay, so the next little exercise here is I want to show you how to add another garment to the avatar and how you need to inform the program of the layering, what's on top and what's below. So if I add this skirt to the avatar, you can see here that it's sort of, it doesn't really know what it's the top or the skirt that's going to be showing through here. So what I need to do now is I need to, first of all, I'm going to move my skirt down here, and then I am going to select all the pieces from my top. And once I've done that, then here in my property editor, I can scroll down to simulation properties, and on the layer, I want to write 1 and press enter. The moment I do this, I get this fluorescent green. So now I'm kind of warned that this is what I'm assigning now to this top here. And it also states that the moment the simulation is stable, I need to set the value back to 0. So I'm saying OK to that. And then I'm going to hit my space bar in order to simulate. And once the simulation is stable and I check forth and back, I can now, in my layer, I'll write 0, enter, and I'm back to the normal color. And then the top is on top of the skirt. If I now wanted to add a coat on top of this, then the coat would be layer 1. And once the simulation was stable, I'll go back and assign it to 0 again.